When most people think about Indiana, Northwest Indiana, south side of Chicago, they think about industry, they think about brownfields, contamination, Superfund sites. They don't think about nature. Now with CommuniTree, we're working to upscale the amount of trees that we're planting on industrial facilities.
With industry, sometimes something that gets overlooked is how you're impacting the environment, and especially from where we come from, which is more of, as you can see from behind us, more of a steel mill situation.
Because of the access to the Lake Michigan waterway, there's a lot of power plants that have been built along the shores, such as Prax, ArcelorMittal, U.S. Steel, amongst others.
The idea of having CommuniTree bringing industry to the mix of planting trees throughout the region has really helped us scale up our impact. The Port of Indiana has been working to develop this idea that these companies can be involved in greening their leased facilities and in turn engaging their employees to plant trees and to care for those trees.
Primary Energy is what's known as an energy recycling company. So we're producing electricity, which is a carbon-intensive operation. We got involved with CommuniTree because we wanted to do something that had a positive impact.
Over the course of our project here at Portside and Portage, Indiana, we have planted 63 trees that accompanied 7 species. The white oak, the bur oak, the Kentucky coffee tree, American linden, the buckeye, and jack pine. Being able to reincorporate some of the native species back into your land that were there prior to coming and industrializing it can make a giant impact. As the trees get older and mature, they can actually start trapping fugitive dust that would normally make their way into the airscape and could flow downstream or, whichever way the wind is blowing.
There's a lot of dust in Ports of Indiana, Burns Harbor. There's a lot of dirt yards and gravel yards. And we do about 1,500 trucks a day that come into the facility, so just road dust and some of the components that we handle can be dusty. That's why we're dustier than we'd like to be. The trees have absorbed some of that.
CommuniTree, from our perspective of working with industries, is a bigger platform for companies and private landowners to participate in a larger initiative for the region of Northwest Indiana. So yeah, we're hoping to expand as we go along. Not only in the number of trees, urban canopy, but also the partnership.
I think the most important things about CommuniTree is that not only are they involved with industry, but they're involved in just regular communities. Anybody who's interested in planting trees or just learning about the environment, from children to adults to people who never had an interest in the environment before, can sign up to volunteer and learn how to plant trees correctly.